it's Mike with the 61 Beetle. Today I have two things. I'm going to replace a gasket on my fuel filler cap, and I'm going to show a gratuitous video of my dog doing a trick. Busdy, or Jeffrey is his name. So first, let's fix this gas cap. So this gas cap goes on here, and what I noticed is I can still kind of smell a little gas, and I had this, like, you see the pink stuff? Basically, this is an original one that I cleaned off, and it looks good, but the underneath, you can see, it doesn't look that good. So what I do is I've got a new kind of a black rubber gasket, and the first thing I'm going to do is just, with this, I'm just going to clean this off as best I can. And this gasket was on there, you know, probably since 1965. So I had put something on there when I redid I had redone my gas, you know, cleaned out and refurbished the fuel tank, and part of that was doing this gas cap, and so I had tried to make this pink thing work as well as I could. But so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of scrape this out, and then I'll show you my new gasket, see what it looks like. Alright, first what I'm going to do before I put in the new one is I'm just going to kind of sand out still a little bit of like adhesive and whatever is holding. Alright, well, what I got here is this one, and that's how it fits in there. It looks pretty good, but of course it's loose, and there's a little, like it's almost like a little ridge here that goes in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this Gorilla Glue gel in there, and then I'm going to set the so just like this, I'm going to put the Gorilla Glue gel in the little divot, but then I'm going to put also a little bit more on there, and let's hope that this kind of holds it in place. I don't know if this is the right kind of glue for this, but I thought about using some kind of gasket maker, but okay, so there's that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this gasket on there, and then I'm just going to put the gas cap on. That'll hold it against the ridge there, and just hopefully it'll not get the super glue on the actual rubber part, but rather do exactly what I want it to do, which is glue it to the inside of the gas cap, while you know, leaving it so that it's still slips against the top of that filler tube. So anyway, okay, that's the new gasket on my fuel filler, and I'm going to just show you a trick that my dog Jeffrey does. All right, Jeffrey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, Jeffy. Did you get a haircut? Between your eyes? Did you get a haircut? You sure did. How about this? Sit. Sit. And now shake. Shake. Shake, Buddy. Come on, Buddy. Show off your trick. Shake. You don't want to shake? Buddy, shake. That was very good. Now lie down. That's very good. Buddy.
You're the best.